Hello and welcome to Ref Sports. I'm Gargi Raut. I'm here outside of the Eden Gardens, where the Indian team is practicing before they head to Guwahati. So one final practice session here at the Eden Gardens before the team leaves for the second test match. But we are getting a major news update when it comes to the captain, Shubman Gill. We all know what happened during the first test. India eventually went out to lose that test, but at the same time, one big concern cropped up, which is Shubman Gill's neck injury. In that first innings, while batting, he hit a sweep and aggravated his neck injury that he was already having trouble with in the morning, as Morne Morkel later revealed in that press conference. He was also admitted to a private hospital here in Kolkata at the Woodlands Hospital, where we at Ref Sports were giving you timely updates on what is going on. Shubman Gill was later released Sunday evening, where we all saw that footage of him walking out, that CCTV footage that was leaked, and he was clearly uncomfortable. He walked out wearing a neck brace, and what we heard after that was that he was in pain. The pain hadn't completely subsided and the doctors had prescribed rest for the next 5 days. But the latest update and the breaking news is Shubman Gill is likely out of the second test match. He will not be able, or is most likely not able, to make a comeback, because right now it will only after a few days will Shubman Gill start exercising his neck, after which, after a period of 5 to 7 days, he will be able to play cricket again. For now, the latest news is that Shubman Gill is out of the second test match. He is expected to be fit by the time the ODI series start, where he will have a period of rest where he can recover and start mobility with his neck again. But again, the latest is that Shubman Gill is likely out of the second test match, and it is a big blow for the Indian team. Right now, the other detail that we're getting is we're not even sure if Shubman Gill will travel to Guwahati with Team India. He might just go back, or rather go to the NCA or something like that. But there are doubts about whether or not the skipper will even travel to Guwahati. So now the responsibility lies on Rishabh Pant to take this series forward. We're already seeing a loss here at the Eden Gardens after the Indian management tailor-made a spin track, yet the Indian batters could not apply, or rather have any execution when it comes to the batting department. In the absence of Shubman Gill, the Indian skipper and India's number 4 batter, what we're hearing is that Sai Sudarshan might be able to come back into the playing 11. It remains to be seen whether or not the Indian management will go with an off-field selection, say someone like Ruturaj Gaikwad. But at the moment, the sources are saying, as Soumik Chakrabarty reported, that it might be Sai Sudarshan who comes back into the playing 11. So that is the latest that we have on Shubman Gill, the Indian skipper. We still have another major news coming in from Kolkata. So stay tuned to Ref Sports. We'll be giving you periodic updates on Shubman Gill's injury, and obviously whatever happens forward from here on, whether or not the Indian skipper will travel to Guwahati. The details are awaited. We will get back to you with more.